Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, October the 30th. I'm starting off with ASOS, where it looks as though we finally have a base in place in terms of the rebound that we've been seeing over the last few days. The reason for the optimism is what is effectively an island bottom formation after the gap to the downside and gap to the upside for September and October, respectively. A gap through the 20-day moving average and bear trap through the floor of this July rising trend channel based at the 20-day line. In the near term, we also have a bull flag breakout. The top of the flag is currently running at £20 or £23.20, and while above this on an end of day close basis, we'd be looking for further upside. The top of the July price channel is up as high as £31, and that's what we would expect to see over the next 2 to 3 weeks. At this stage, anybody back below the gap and back below £20 would be outright negative for ASOS. Stock which was called higher at the beginning of the week is Keystone. Shares didn't really look back in terms of finding support around the 50p level and the 10-day moving average level. The latest maneuver here shows the stock back up to the 50-day moving average, 66p is the high of yesterday, or the resistance zone of yesterday. That tends to be, or the 50-day moving average tends to be the line in the sand in terms of blocking stocks when they are in a bear move. So we would want to see an end of day close back above the 50-day line relatively quickly, but at least while there's no end of day close back below the initial October resistance, which was 57.75, one would be quite confident of further moves to the upside. It's also positive that we've broken back above the old August 61p low as well. So target here currently the top of the August gap at 81.75p, and really this could be seen over the next 1 to 2 weeks and no longer than that as we break out of this falling wedge formation. Finishing off with Victoria Oil and Gas, and you can see that there's been decent price action in terms of October's double bear trap rebound from below the 200-day moving average at 1.31. This also looks to be the floor of a rising trend channel from April. And the call at the moment is that the break of the 50-day moving average that we've just seen should take the shares back towards a retest of 1.85 plus, which is the August resistance initially over the next couple of weeks, and possibly 2 pence plus over the next month, if we manage to see another decent close above the 50-day moving average just under current levels. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.